Automated income. How to earn cash with AI-generated YouTube videos. Are you tired of the same mundane routine at work with no financial freedom? Do you dream of earning money while relaxing on a beach or spending time with your loved ones? Well, thanks to automation and artificial intelligence, generating income has become easier than ever. And what better platform to do it on than YouTube, the second largest search engine in the world? In this video, we will discuss how you can use AI-generated videos to make money online through the YouTube Partner Program. So sit back, relax and get ready to learn how to secure your retirement savings even during a recession by investing in this innovative method of making passive income. Automation is the process of using technology to perform tasks that would otherwise be done manually. It has revolutionized the way we work and live, making our lives easier and more efficient. With automation, we can save time, reduce errors, increase productivity, and ultimately make more money. Automation can be used in a variety of ways, from simple tasks like scheduling emails to complex ones such as controlling robots for industrial purposes. In the workplace, it allows for more efficient processes and less manual labor. Automated tools and systems can also reduce costs, improve customer service, and increase safety. Automation is found in many industries and sectors that involve data processing and analytics. One of the most significant benefits of automation is that it allows us to focus on what really matters in our businesses or personal lives. By automating repetitive tasks such as data entry or social media posting, we free up valuable time to focus on higher-level strategic thinking or simply enjoying some downtime with family and friends. Automation is an essential tool in today's world and will only continue to evolve as technology advances. With the right implementation, it can be a powerful ally in both commercial and personal pursuits. Moreover, automation helps reduce costs by minimizing labor expenses while increasing efficiency by streamlining workflows. This leads to increased profits for businesses while keeping prices low for consumers. Finally, automation can help improve safety by reducing the number of humans in potentially dangerous areas. This is especially true in hazardous industries like mining or construction. Automated systems can take over the more dangerous parts of a job and allow human workers to focus on other, less risky tasks. Automation is a game-changer when it comes to saving time and money in today's fast-paced world. By embracing this innovative technology and incorporating it into your daily routine through AI-generated YouTube videos, you can easily earn passive income online, even during a recession. Making money online has become a popular way to earn extra income or even replace a full-time job. With the rise of technology, there are now more opportunities than ever before to make money from the comfort of your own home. Some of the best ways to make money online include freelancing, blogging, selling products or services online, creating an app or website, participating in surveys, becoming a virtual assistant, teaching English online, and affiliate marketing. Many of these methods require time and effort in order to be successful. However, with dedication and hard work, you can make a steady stream of income from home. One popular method for making money online is through affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website or social media page and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Another way to make money online is by selling digital products, such as ebooks, courses, or software. These types of products can be created once and sold multiple times without much additional effort required. For those who enjoy writing, freelancing can also be a lucrative option. Many companies and individuals are in need of skilled writers for content creation and copywriting projects. Participating in paid surveys or completing microtasks through websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk can provide small amounts of extra cash on the side. Finally, creating and selling products or services through your own website is another way to make money online. Whether you are selling handmade jewelry, digital art, or even a unique service such as web design, you can reach a global audience with just a few clicks. The key is finding something that aligns with your interests and skills while also being financially viable. In simple terms, it refers to machines that can learn from data and make decisions based on that learning. One of the most prominent uses of AI is in automating repetitive tasks such as data entry or customer service. This frees up human resources for more complex tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. AI also has applications in fields such as healthcare, where it can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and provide personalized treatment options based on an individual's genetic makeup. However, there are concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI on society. Some worry about job losses resulting from increased automation while others fear the development of autonomous weapons systems. Despite these concerns, there is no doubt that artificial intelligence will continue to play an increasingly important role in our lives. As long as we use this technology responsibly and ethically, it holds great promise for improving our world. The YouTube Partner Program is an excellent option for content creators who want to monetize their videos. By becoming a part of this program, YouTubers can earn money from ads shown on their video content. To qualify for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past year. Once approved, you'll be able to enable monetization on your videos and start earning revenue. While it may take some effort to reach these requirements initially, it's definitely worth it once you begin making money through ad revenue. Additionally, joining the YouTube Partner Program also opens up other opportunities for sponsored content deals and brand partnerships. AI can be used in many different ways, from automating mundane tasks to creating more personalized customer experiences. AI-enabled software can also be used for predictive analytics, facial recognition, object detection, natural language processing and voice recognition. AI technologies are being used in healthcare to diagnose diseases and predict outcomes, in transportation to reduce traffic congestion and improve safety, and in finance to detect fraud and optimize portfolios. The potential for AI is limitless. It has the capability to revolutionize almost every industry on the planet. As technology advances, there will be even more applications of artificial intelligence that will reshape our future. In order to maximize your earnings through this program, focus on creating high-quality content that engages your audience and encourages them to watch more of your videos. With hard work and dedication, the YouTube Partner Program can provide a steady source of income for any aspiring creator.